Hello everybody, Tai Kai Ho. Welcome to another lesson in Learn Penang Hokkien Step by Step. In our previous lessons, we learned the words wa, which means I, and lu, which means you. Today, we will learn three words as shown here. These three words are all pronounced the same way. They are all pronounced e or e or e. Okay, just like A, B, C, D, E, E. These words, in English, we call them as heterographs, meaning words that spell differently but sound the same. And another way of calling it is homophones. Homophones means words that sound the same but spelled differently. So either way, this is what we have here, E, E, and E. And the meaning, this E means he or him. This E means she or her. And this E means it. In Taiji romanization, the third-person personal pronouns are split into three for fast identification. So when you see one of these, you know which one it is about. Although all sound the same, you can understand which is which in the writing. These three E are much easier to learn than wa and lu, because wa and lu suddenly they change tone. E does not change tone. It always remains the same whether it's in the subject or object or anywhere else in the sentence. E will always be pronounced the same way. And here, let's see some example sentences using E. E, kyo, E. In this sentence, E is, but we can tell which is which. This sentence means he calls her. Another sentence, ie1. In such a sentence, you will know immediately whether the person is male or female. Obviously, in this case, it's a female. And the question is, what is her name? This is now her. E, si, ha, mi, lai. E, si, ha, mi, lai. It means what E, ka, E, pa, hoi. E, ka, E, pa, hoi. It means he and she are of the same age. This is he, this one is she. Pa, hoi means same age. Lu, pang, i, ti, ta, lo. Lu, pang, i, ti, ta, lo means where did you leave it? So this it is this E. Lu, pang, i, ti, ta, lo. Wa, tua, goi, i. Wa, tua, goi, i means I am older than him. So, as you can see, E can appear at the beginning of a sentence and it can appear at the end of the sentence. It always remains the same, no change in tone. ie1 ee1 ie1 means it has 4 wheels. Here, this e refers to an object. So, that's about it for this lesson. If you like this lesson and want to know more about Penang Hokkien, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press the notification button. Till the next time, Kam Sia Lu.